Why companies won't replace data analysts? Think of it, no? Like ChatGPT can write SQL, it can create dashboard, it can also analyze data. So why are companies still hiring data analysts then? Here's what most people get wrong. AI can give you answers, but it's the data analysts who decide what questions to be asked. Say, for example, if the sales has dropped by 20%, AI can create charts and report within minutes and it can give. But AI cannot walk into the meetings and ask what could be the reason for such drop in the sales. Is it because of the pricing, or is it because the marketing campaigns failed, or is it because of the change in the customer behavior, or did we lose customer to our competitors? All these powerful questions only a data analyst could ask, and that's where the data analysts create value. So the real job here is not building dashboards, it's about turning data into business decisions, because AI can give answers, but it's the data analysts who could give the context, judgment, and even the recommendation. So the future is not about AI versus data analysts. It's about data analysts, how they are solving the problems. Basically, how we are arriving to the business decisions. And data analysts who learn AI better could grow even much faster. So it's not about AI versus data analysts, or it's not about ignoring AI. It's about how we are creating that combination and making the business decisions more powerful.